Hello students, welcome back to online classes. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today we are going to start with the same chapter, that is chapter 6, sound. As we all know, sound is a form of longitudinal waves, and longitudinal waves are a set of compression as well as rarefaction. So let us see what is crest and trough. When a longitudinal waves are formed in the form of a wave, the maximum point where the wave reaches, that is called crest, and the minimum point where the waves reach is called trough. And the distance between two crests or two trough is called wavelength. So over here you can see two crests. The distance between two crests is called wavelength, and the distance between two trough is called wavelength. So let us see the definition of crest. A crest is a point on a surface of a wave where the displacement of the medium is at a maximum position. What is trough? A trough is the opposite of crest, so the minimum or lowest point in a cycle. What is wavelength? The distance between two crests or two troughs is called as wavelength. I hope all the three topics are very much clear to everyone. Let us move to another topic, that is characteristics of a sound. The first characteristic of a sound is frequency. What is frequency? The number of vibrations produced by the source per second is called the frequency. The unit of frequency is hertz and it is represented by a small f. Now over here you can see the diagram of a wave. So when a wave is going to complete one crest and one trough, that denotes one frequency. Again, from the same point it is going to continue, second frequency, two frequency. Now this is the third frequency. So in the diagram the frequency is 3. So what is frequency? The number of vibrations produced by the source per second is called the frequency. Therefore, in 1 second, the pair of crest and trough occurs denotes the frequency. Frequency is equal to number of crest or trough in a second. So in a second, the number of times a crest and a trough is occurring, that is called frequency. And frequency is denoted by 1 upon time period. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us move to another characteristic, that is time period. What is time period? The time taken by a vibrating object to complete one vibration is called the time period. It is denoted by capital T. Its SI unit is second. And the formula for time period is 1 upon frequency. Over here you can see the diagram of a wave where four frequencies are occurring. Four frequencies, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So over here the frequency is 4. Now how we are going to calculate the time period? So we can see 4 waves, it is occurring in 1 second. So one wave is going to occur in 1 by 4 second. So we can say that frequency and time period are inverse of each other. So over here you can see how long does one wave take. So the time taken by one wave, that is called the time period. That is called the time period. I hope it is clear to everyone. So we can say that frequency is equal to 1 upon time period, or time period is equal to 1 upon frequency. It means frequency and time periods are inverse of each other. Let us move to the last characteristic, that is amplitude. What is amplitude? The maximum displacement of a vibrating object from its mean position is called its amplitude. The SI unit of amplitude is meter. You can see a wave diagram over here. Suppose the molecule or a particle is over here. So what happens? What is amplitude? When a sound energy is given to this particle, what happens? It starts vibrating around its mean position. So suppose it was over here, and when a sound energy creates a disturbance in this particle, it is going to move here and here. So this displacement, the displacement that takes place by the molecule, that is called the amplitude. Now over here particle is at mean position, you can see, but when a sound energy is given to this molecule, it starts vibrating about its mean position. So the displacement that it occurs or it takes, that is called amplitude. I hope all the topics are clear to everyone. Next time when we are going to meet, I am going to start with a new topic. Till then, be safe and goodbye.